June 1st, battering the prefecture with strong winds and heavy rain.
その信号消えてしまっています。
As of 10 p.m. on June 1st, more than 20,000 households across Okinawa had no power. The typhoon moved northward while maintaining its strength. Meteorologists warned that a band of intense rainfall capable of causing severe flooding may develop over the Amami Islands and southern Kyushu beginning June 2nd. From June 2nd onward, the storm is expected to track toward western Japan and eventually the Kanto region. Around noon on June 1st, Okinawa entered the typhoon's storm zone.
国際通りに来ています。現在雨風非常に強まっていて、観光地なんですが歩く人の姿はほとんど見られません。雨も非常に強く地面に叩きつけています。
Powerful rain slammed Naha City.
あの方も傘を畳んでしまいました。風が強すぎてもう傘が差して歩くのが危険です。それほど今風が強く吹いています。うわ
A maximum instantaneous wind speed of 136.4 kilometers per hour was recorded. A storm warning went into effect across all of Okinawa on June 1st. Strong winds in Uruma City sent rain slamming into windows throughout the day. A maximum instantaneous wind speed of 146.2 kilometers per hour was recorded shortly before 4 p.m., the highest June wind gust ever observed in the city. Approximately 2,700 households in Uruma did not have power as of 10 p.m. We visited one affected home.
お昼の2時半ぐらいだったかな。消えて、それからもう全くつかない。
今一番困ってるのって何ですか？
でもとりあえず冷蔵庫溶けてるはずがいろんなものが。だと電気慣れしてるものとかテレビ見たいなっていうのを。あ、これか。つかないですね。
The outage had already lasted about 5 hours. The man relied on candles and battery-powered lanterns prepared in advance to light his home.
台風来るたびに停電するもんだから。この辺は一旦停電したらひどい時はもう3日ぐらいはもう停電したらずっとっていうのが多いですね。
More than 20,000 households across Okinawa remained without power as of 10 p.m. On Okinawa's main island, evacuation orders were issued in 5 municipalities, including Nanjo City. Residents were seen heading to evacuation centers. The prefecture has been battered by severe winds and rain. According to local fire authorities, at least 6 people have been injured, including individuals who were knocked over by strong winds.
あ、木が倒れています。
A large tree snapped at its base and blocked a roadway.
バンって音がして見たらもうちょうど倒れて道を完全にまっすぐ塞いでたんです。ここ風の通り道になってるんで突発的に強くなるかもしれないですけど、はい。
Even as crews worked to clear the debris, conditions remained dangerous.
雨と風とても強い中での撤去作業となっています。うわ。
In Okinawa City, damage was also reported to a well-known local landmark.
こちら大きなガジュマルの木が根こそぎ倒れてしまっています。
The massive banyan tree, which stood taller than the traffic light, even when lying on its side, was blocking the sidewalk. The trunk was about 2 meters in diameter, The force of the impact was enough to crush the surrounding railing. Typhoon Changmi is expected to approach Kagoshima's mainland in the evening of June 2nd. Forecasters are also warning that a band of intense rainfall could develop, raising the risk of flooding and landslides. Strong winds shattered the windows of several homes in Tokunoshima town in Kagoshima Prefecture. In Yoron town, powerful winds tore the roof off a water treatment facility, allowing rainwater to contaminate the local water supply. The storm is also causing major disruptions to air travel. Flight disruptions were expected to continue on June 2nd, with 269 flights scheduled for cancellation, impacting approximately 31,000 passengers. Many of those cancellations involve flights to and from Haneda Airport. Japan Airlines canceled 170 flights, including services connecting Tokyo's Haneda and Osaka's Itami Airport, affecting roughly 9,200 passengers. All Nippon